We've got a voicemail number. It's 219-2-DAVID-P. We don't have a voicemail today. Today we have an email. I mentioned last week that there are people pressuring me to change the format of the show to an interview-only show. And I said, I think it wouldn't be good for the show. Here's one email I received, and I got a lot of emails like it. This one's from Lisette, who said, Dear David, regarding the discussion about having an interview show versus a news show, if it were an interview-only show, I would immediately cancel my membership in Patreon. That said, it's not because I don't enjoy the interviews. I do enjoy most of them very much. I'm really pressed for time, and I have to work hard to listen to your show and bonus show every day. The main reason that I listen is because I want to hear independent insights on what's going on. The more I know, the more I can talk to others and help to effect change in these trying, to put it mildly, times. But I wouldn't make the time for interviews that I do to hear your take and analysis of the news. What you said about an interview format immediately torpedoing the show sounds about right to me. This was the consensus from people saying, listen, David, what most people, the format of the show is what has built you the audience you have. It would be incredibly risky to say, hey, you know what? Let's do a completely different format altogether. So for the time being, we're not doing any change in format, but we will explore mixing in other formats for individual episodes. We've got a great bonus show today. I'm out of time to tell you what's on it, but it's a good one, and we'll talk to you then.